Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am making baked jollof rice with lamb chops, shrimp, and chicken. So flavorful, easy to make. I'm excited. As always, let's get started right now. The first thing I'm gonna do is roast some garlic cloves and set it aside. I have the garlic in the aluminum foil. I pour a little olive oil over it. I have the chicken, lamb chops, and shrimp here. I'm adding some seasoning and olive oil. I will mix this all together before baking the chicken. I will grill the lamb chops and shrimp first before baking them. I already blended peppers, onion, and garlic. I am frying the peppers, onion, and garlic. I am also adding some seasoning. I will let this cook for a few minutes before adding 1 can of tomato sauce. If you want this recipe, you can join my membership, We Be Cooking, to access full written recipes, ad-free content, and early access to new videos. Link is in the description. I wash the rice first before transferring it into this baking dish. I am also adding some mixed veggies before pouring the sauce. I am mixing this all together and adding 2 cups of water. The meal was not even ready yet, but I was ready to eat. I have the roasted garlic and a little bit of spinach in this blender. You can also use cilantro or parsley. I am also adding a little bit of olive oil before blending it. And this is what it looks like. I will move on to grilling the lamb chops and shrimp. I am spraying a little cooking oil before adding the meat. I will let the shrimp cook on each side for a few minutes before removing it and placing the lamb chops. Same for the lamb chops. This is the color I am looking for. Once the lamb chops and shrimp are ready, I will transfer them to baking sheet covered with parchment paper. The rice is done. It's looking good and smelling amazing. I am brushing the garlic spinach oil on the shrimp, lamb chops, and chicken. I also fried some plantain on the side. I had so much fun creating this video. Give the recipe a try. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.